Good Sunday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 0. No weather worries for our Sunday. So 2 days in a row of being weather worry free. So what a wonderful weekend for sure. Now yesterday was a little breezy. Today's not going to be as breezy. So that'll be a little bit more of a perk, and it'll be a little bit warmer today. And that's what our 5-day forecast shows here. Sunday, mostly sunny, highs in the upper 60s, so about 8 to 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. Monday, we probably start out sunny, but clouds will begin to increase as we go through the day, and winds will begin to increase as well out of the southwest, gusting to 30 miles per hour by evening. A quick shot of showers for some of us Monday night before we go back to mostly sunny skies on Tuesday. So that chance of showers about 50-50. That's after we warmed up into the upper 70s Monday afternoon. Those southwest winds on Monday switch to the northwest on Tuesday, which drops our temperatures down into the upper 50s. Probably even brings us some patchy frost Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Wednesday, sunny, highs in the low 60s. Thursday, we see a few more clouds drifting across the skies as temperatures warm back up into the upper 60s. Premier Generators bringing us our threat outlook. The Storm Prediction Center dropped the marginal risk in eastern Kentucky. They dropped it southward a bit, and now it comes all the way down to the Tennessee-Kentucky border. So for those of you along and north of a line from, say, Livingston to Jamestown, to Oneida, I'm going to keep an eye on you all. So it's a low chance. But the better chance for severe weather is up across northeastern Kentucky, eastern Ohio, portions of West Virginia. So it still stays well northeast of us, but they did drop that marginal risk southward a bit, and I am keeping an eye on that because I've been mentioning that for a while. But we'll just see how it evolves as we get closer to time. Precip not looking too impressive this week. 1/10 of an inch or less Monday night. And some of us won't even get that. Again, it's a 50-50 shot for showers, and yeah, so not much rain in the rain bucket for the next 5 days. The extended threat outlook, not looking like too much. Got those gusty winds coming Monday and Tuesday, and then that's about it. The below normal temperatures that I was watching for next weekend, I don't think that's going to happen. I think this is a very active pattern that's going to be evolving by the end of next week, but not so much for us as for the central and southern plains. So severe weather looks like is really going to start increasing for those folks going into the second half of April, and that's exactly what we expect this time of the year. So I'm not sure we're going to see any cold spells in that anytime too soon. Yes, there will be more opportunities for frost. Don't think we're out of that woods yet. We are not, but we're getting closer to that point. On this day in weather history, watch us for Bramble Travel. 1950 and 1959, we had a trace of snow in Crossville. 2004, the latest measurable snowfall of record hits Jackson, Tennessee. That's between Nashville and Memphis, causing 6 traffic fatalities. That was a big deal. That was several inches of snow too. They were quite taken aback by that because it's kind of late in the year for that, especially for those folks. We was out there storm chasing a week or so ago, and it was green. I mean, trees were doing their thing. I was impressed. 2006, the University of Iowa campus is hit by an F2 tornado. The storm severely damaged many buildings in the area, including a sorority and a local church. No fatalities were reported, but $12 million in damage. Yikes. You folks have a wonderful Sunday. Keep looking up. I'm looking forward to visiting the Plateau Readiness Group, I think is what it's called, this afternoon at the complex. I'll definitely have that name straight by the end of today. Looking forward to visiting those folks and talking to those folks about being prepared for any kind of weather that comes across the plateau. You folks take care. Have a wonderful Sunday. Keep looking up more weather information. Meteorologist Mark.